Golden Star. And hopefully next year is another year. So, this is for Filipino Workers Center to Miss Lolit Liel. Oh, picture? Picture? Very nice. Oh, picture. Mr. Award, the chairman, you're not taking the pictures. Okay, Mr. Ramon, we just want to give you our certificate of recognition. Mr. Ramon, we want to give you your graduation certificate for being growing rich. He is the brain and think tank of diversified energy and natural resources. So, thank you. All right, our next sharing. How many are we realtors over here? Realtors, broker, attorney. Stand and be recognized, Attorney James. Yay. So no more realtors? Maybe coming, Tito Ben is coming. I just want to give you this opportunity because, you know, this lady, the family of this lady, she's younger than me. The mother and all the family, they're just, you know, when I came here, I don't have any relatives. I have only 300 in my bag. That's all I have. So, but this family adopted me. So they're my only family over here. So, adopted family actually. So they own a loan, mortgage and real estate in Glendale. So if you have a problem with a loan, and all of you are realtors, some of you are brokers, so Miss Marcel Aurelio is the best loan processor ever. They can close your deal. So I have a 1.5 million loan right now for her, so next year we'll get money. So we want to give a certificate to her. She's shy, she doesn't want to. But you can share a little bit. No?
I'll just talk to you.